In this video, you'll learn how to create a Qatar Airways account in just a few minutes, so you can manage bookings, earn miles, and unlock exclusive travel benefits as a member. First, open your browser and go to qatarairways.com. Click on Sign Up or Join Privilege Club at the top right of the homepage. This is the official rewards program that comes with creating your free account. Next, fill in your personal details. Enter your full name, date of birth, nationality, and contact information. Make sure all the details match your passport, since this account will be linked to your future bookings. Now, set up your login credentials. Choose a strong password and provide a valid email address. Qatar Airways will use this email for booking confirmations, updates, and important notifications about your travel and member benefits. After that, agree to the terms and conditions, then click Submit or Create Account. Qatar Airways will send a verification email to confirm your address, so check your inbox and click the link inside to activate your account. Once your account is active, log in to start enjoying the perks. You can earn Avios with every flight, manage your bookings easily, and access exclusive deals and offers reserved just for Privilege Club members. And that's it. Your Qatar Airways account is now ready, and you're all set to enjoy a smoother, more rewarding travel experience.